Boom, viewers, subscribers. Back again with these quick updates because just if it's not foreign from Kingmixup, it's not credible. I keep on telling you, you don't know what the thing said, people. Bless up on yourself on that throwback Thursday, yeah, but you know my style already. One bag of one in a one. And I gotta give you these daily updates. You see me, I say. But before we get into that, one first say happy birthday, or belated birthday to first of all, the king of dancehall. Yes, Beanie Man. All dog like Beanie Man is getting older and older, which is a good thing, cause you know nothing not greater than life. You see me, I say. But I don't know if this was a good choice of a present to buy the king. You know what I mean? And you know, say his current girlfriend Camille bought that for him. You see me, I say. It don't even look like Beanie Man can manage that tricycle there. You see me? You know what I mean? And we were here to hear that the artist end up in an accident because of this I don't know what they call it. People putting out their comments, and is this a quad or a tripod or a dirt bike? You feel what I'm saying? But nevertheless, big up yourself, come here. You know what I mean? Yeah, I know people. You know, say Beanie Man girlfriend to an artist too. You know what I mean? But we will do a review, a special review for that on a different channel. You see me? Also, big up Richie Feelings. You don't know the thing set. We know, say Richie rich after gone pan tour with Spicy. You see me, I say you can't go them big country and not get no big money. But yeah, it was his birthday as well as you saying both, you know what I mean? So I just they want to big up them the people there. But enough about that, people. Let's get straight into the meat of the matters. Okay, people, I have a quick update for you for on the internet sensation IVANY. Yes, dancehall princess sensation. You feel me? You know she went to court yesterday without an immigration lawyer because the GoFundMe didn't reach $1,000 yet. You see me, I say. But nevertheless, she still showed up to court. But the judge said, you know what? Come back when you have a lawyer. You know what I mean? So that's definitely a good look. You know what I mean? The judge could have deal with her wickedly. You know what I'm saying? But, you know what I mean? The judge has said come back with a lawyer. So I think her next court date is September 16th. So people, if you don't have $1 and you can spare, go over to the GoFundMe page and donate. I think she get like $400 already. You see me, I say. So I'm just giving a quick update while going from another one. You know the sensation have been off of social media since May. You know what I mean? And she's trying to make us stay in America, you see me? So I'm not going to tell it long pan IVANY because we do a review yesterday, you feel me? But I just want to give you an update while going from another one. She's seen the judge. Judge said come back when you have a lawyer. And hopefully she gets that by September for the next hearing. You see me? Okay, people, it look like DEXTA DAPS is, I wouldn't say he's in hot water, but it looked like him get caught up again in with this posing with man business. You see me, I say, unbeknownst to him. Yes, you know what I mean? I was sent a DM earlier, as you can see in front of you, it says watch to the end. You see me, I say, and honestly, I got confused to what I was looking at, in the middle of the video, you see me, because as you can see, me think Billy was watching a video of Alexa pose up with a girl. You know what I mean? So I was expecting to see little girl photos of a girl growing up. But me, I look on the picture them and me, I see the transition of a man to a woman. You know what I mean? I don't know if this individual is from the gullies of New Kingston, because you know them migrate to America, the whole of them, you see what I'm saying? But yes, people, DEXTA DAPS was caught with, I don't know what to call this individual, a transformer, a trans, you know, I don't know, you know. You see what I'm saying? But he looked like one of those popular people from the aquarium community. I could be wrong, you know, they can put in the comment section if he's one of the popular ones, you know. But like I said, you know, a few months ago, DEXTA DAPS was caught up in, you know, a viral situation where people was assuming he was dancing with a man on stage, you know. But we know that's not true. And according to the girl, it's her baby father that started the rumor. So I don't know why I was getting the blame and a lot of Jamaicans on social media for running with the rumor, because here you have a man that slept with the individual DEXTA DAPS was dancing with, and them said I was a man. You know what I mean? But me just give you an update while going from one to go on. DEXTA DAPS has been caught. I'm taking a picture with a fan that he didn't know was a man. You know what I mean? Yeah, let's proceed.
Kingmixup, make sure say when you post my video, you talk it through them when me talking. You know, say somebody just tag say Kingmixup over here. Nobody gonna mix up, not the Kingmixup. Make sure Kingmixup, you talk it how it go. No put in nothing in it. No add in no sugar, no add in no salt. Anyway.
Tape.
I'll do my best.
Measure.
You
Tape
know.
to the measurement. Tape.
People, it look like
Measure.
Spice now depend
Tape.
on the besties them for buy our album. That run, yeah, you see me I say she's working with streams. Yes, because you know streams equal album sales. And we should have known something was up when she was posting heavily on her Instagram page with all sorts of tape messages. You see me I say, boy, oh boy, you know Spice like them long and thick. You see me I say. Or tall, I should say, because she replaced Justin with another Rasta man. Yes, why oh boy, Justin. Ja, no, this is one of the reasons why Justin couldn't deal with Spice, you know. Because she told you I'm out of order. Nah, people, but seriously, this is what she had to say about the snippet. Besties, this for your eyes only. Tape measure video drops this Friday. Pre-order my album Emancipated, 48 hours to go. She also said here wondering if I should drop this exclusive snippet of my new music video tape measure from my album Emancipated. Now what a coincidence, Mrs. Skilly Banshen said this is a clean face rain snippet. Spice love me caption them, you know. But anyway, people, let's get to the bagger. Now, Spice is basically dropping a porn tape, people. Let's call it what it is, you know what I mean? Naked Rasta man in the video and all of these things, but he hang out the door and all of this stuff. And she can do that, you know what I mean? Because she's a grown woman, you feel me? But I've seen a lot of people bashing Shenseea for getting equal rights with a little batty wash on the side, you know, brought her on stage during her performance. And people, certain fan bases were saying, oh, you know, kids could go on the internet and watch this. Well, kids is going on the internet watching Spice sex videos. You feel what I'm saying? Whether they try sexing or showing nakedhood and all of this stuff. So, people, dancehall is not the same how we once grew up to. You know what I mean? All the morals is out the door. You feel me? And we can't blame Shenseea. We have to blame the veterans then, because look, Spice is the queen of dancehall, but yes, she's co-signing the aquarium community. You know what I mean? That's where the slackness start with the dancehall. So anything after that, you see me I say, but just I give you that quick update that Spice is looking to break the internet tomorrow on the 26th. To get them streams up. You see me I say, because we can't depend on, you know, to buy the pure album sale. You know what I mean? But anyway, people, we're not going to long up on this thing any longer. Put in the comment section what you think, and we'll proceed. And now for some political mix-up, because from what day I say article I go around the place about migration, brain drain, or gain. You feel what I'm saying? And you know all the thing go from the longest we can remember people that leave Jamaica on the basis of bettering their life for themselves, their family and children. You see me I say, because we already know how the program's set in Jamaica. The rich get richer and the poor get poorer. You feel me? But that brother here you see on the screen is calling the people that's making the journey cowards. And these are the bossy slaves where I talk about, because these people them say this. I am sending this email to you to find out what you think about the recent comments on Montego Bay Deputy Mayor Richard Vernon about Jamaican expat or whatever who are seek to migrate being cowards and unpatriotic for not staying to build Jamaica. He made the comment about going to America, but I wanted to learn from your thoughts. You know what I mean? And this is what I've been talking from Madeira. Nobody has pride in Jamaica. That's why they're leaving to build another man's country, white men specifically. And this is why these foreigners come back to Jamaica and buy out the land. You know what I mean? And this is definitely a problem. You see me? I said we cannot act like said this is not modern day slavery. You feel me? Just because not change and nothing we're on your leg. You see me? I said the people them fed up with that situation. Yeah, so if they gotta bounce, they gotta bounce. So I don't think they should be calling people cowards because the system set up is for the rich to get richer and the poor to get poor. You know what I mean? Anyway, people, now go long out this no longer. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified when I drop the latest. And I dance our news, music reviews, and gossips. Bless.